السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أبنائي الطلاب والطالبات، أسعد الله أوقاتكم بكل خير ومحبة. معكم الأستاذ عمر اللحام من مشروع التعليم العلاجي لمساعدة الأطفال وطلاب التوجيهي الممول من قبل الحكومة الأمريكية ممثلة بمجلس السكان واللاجئين والهجرة الأمريكي ريليف انترناشونال. أعزائي طلاب الصف الثامن الأساسي، سنكون معكم اليوم متابعين لسلسلة الدروس التعليمية ضمن منهاج اللغة الإنجليزية Action Back. أهداف هذا الدرس Objectives. The first one: students should be able to use the present simple and the present continuous correctly. سوف تتمكنون من استعمال والتعرف على المضارع البسيط والمضارع المستمر بشكل صحيح. The second objective: students should be able to answer the exercises given correctly. وسوف تتمكنون من الإجابة على التمارين المعطاة بشكل صحيح. Now we want to understand or to see what is the present simple. Let us remember what is the present simple. نتذكر سوية ما هو المضارع البسيط والمضارع المستمر أيضا. Let's begin with the simple present, which we use for daily routines or habits اللي هي العادات والروتين اليومي. Facts الحقائق. Permanent situations والحالات الدائمة. Keywords الكلمات الدالة على المضارع البسيط. Usually, sometimes, daily, always, every plus time and never. The form, which is for singular and plural. For singular للمفرد he, she, it plus verb plus es or s. اس المفرد يعني احنا نقصد es أو s اللي هي s المفرد. وللجمع plural we, they, you plus verb base الفعل المجرد الفعل الصافي يعني. Negative form he, she, it plus doesn't. We add doesn't plus verb base وإضافة إلى الفعل المصدري. The plural form for the negative form we, they, you plus don't plus verb base. The question or the interrogative الشكل الاستفهامي لجملة المضارع البسيط does plus he, she, it plus verb base and complement with a question mark. For plural do, we, they, you plus verb base plus the complement and the question mark. Let's see some examples. نرى بعض الأمثلة هنا. We space اللي هو الفراغ our grandparents every Friday. نستطيع أن نشاهد الجملة بشكلها we هنا وهو the subject اللي هو الفاعل وهو من الفاعل الجمع من ضمن plural noun. Then the plural noun, if we get back, this is the affirmative sentence الشكل المثبت للجملة. نشاهد هنا we, they, you plus verb. Then the verb into brackets الفعل الذي بين الأقواس يبقى كما هو. إذن يأتي هذا الفعل هنا بشكله كما هو. Then تصبح الجملة we visit our grandparents every Friday. This is the keyword. هاي هو الكلمة الدالة على المضارع البسيط. This is for question sentence number 1. Sentence number 2. Samir. Samir is a singular. Samir is a singular. On we can see Samir, singular noun. And the verb here wash والفعل wash. Then Samir washes. We add es for the verb. We add e and s. We add es. Then Samir washes his car daily. I usually my room. Then clean. I usually clean my room. The children sometimes play also because it is plural form لأنها شكل جمع. Now, for we let these examples after we study the present continuous. We go to the present continuous. The present continuous we use it actions in progress. نستخدم المضارع المستمر أيضا في الأفعال المستمرة. Definite future arrangements التخطيط المستقبلي. Temporary situations الحالات المؤقتة. الكلمات الدالة على المضارع المستمر هي now, at the moment, today, next time, time in future, time in future. The affirmative form الشكل المثبت he, she, it plus is plus verb ing يعني الشكل المفرد singular he, she أو it أو أي اسم مفرد يضاف له is زائد الفعل المستمر verb ing. للجمع we, you, they, you plus are plus verb ing. I am plus verb ing. The negative he, she, it isn't plus verb ing. We plural we, they, you aren't plus verb ing. I am not plus verb ing. The question is we begin with is for singular للمفرد he, she, it plus verb ing. Are we plural are we, they, you verb ing. Am I plus verb ing. Yes. Let's answer the first sentences, the first 4 sentences here. We اللي هو الفاعل وهو من ضمائر الجمع, and we have the keyword now. The keyword now. Then this is a present continuous sentence. The verb learn becomes we are learning. We are learning because we takes are, as we say here, as we said here. The second one, they, always plural. They are visiting. They are visiting. I am, like here. I am traveling. Ahmed is, like here. Ahmed is swimming. Ahmed is swimming. Yes. Let's now distinguish between the two forms. خلينا نميز بين الشكلين باستخدام بعض الجمل هنا من خلال الأدلة. خلينا نبلش بالpresent simple with positives, negatives and questions. We want to notice that there are mistakes in the sentences. هناك بعض الأخطاء في الجمل. He go to bed very early. Then he goes because we need to add the noun here is singular. We need to add s or es. He goes. Does they live in Canada? Is that right? Yes, correct. Thank you. It isn't right. ليست جملة صحيحة because does comes with singular. the verb does here comes with singular, not with plural, then it must be do. Do they live in Canada? I am usually cook dinner for my family. Then the auxiliary verb is not right here. This is wrong. I usually cook dinner for my family. Are they have? Then this is a question every week. We have the keyword every week. This is a present simple keyword هي من ضمائر أو أدلة المضارع البسيط. إذن هذا سؤال، ولأنه الفاعل من ضمائر الجمع they، فهنا يجب أن تكون do. Do they have meeting every day? Yes, let's go to the present continuous. I will give it to you as a homework after we finish. Let's go to the present continuous to distinguish between the present continuous or present simple or present continuous. Then, what is this sentence? The first one. Listen, somebody, space, فراغ, the violin. Then we have here a keyword, listen. It is a present continuous keyword. هي من أدلة المضارع المستمر. Then listen, somebody، وهذا ضمائر الجمع. Somebody, this is for body, one, it is a singular. Somebody is playing. Somebody is playing. Listen, somebody is playing the violin. Number two, how often? This is when we say how often it is a present continuous, a present simple, مضارع بسيط. إذن how often وعندنا الفاعل you، فإذن هنا وعندنا سؤال how often do you go to the cinema? How often do you go to the cinema? How often do you go to the cinema? 3. Why? This is also a question. But here we have now. Now is a present continuous keyword. Then it comes how are you? How are you? How are you shouting at, or why are you shouting at me now? Then this is about the present continuous. Also it will become a homework for you. The rest of the sentences بقية الجمل راح تكون معكو كواجبات.